Hi everyone, it's Melissa with Atlas CFO, and we're talking more ratios today. Today we are talking about debt to equity. Debt to equity is a pretty simple ratio. It is our total debt over our equity, but this is another one where people have requirements, and so they pay a lot of attention to our debt to equity ratio. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate it and also tell you what my expectations are for debt to equity. Let's get started. So first we're going to calculate debt to equity. It's pretty simple. We are going to take our debt, which is total debt. Sometimes people think it's long-term. No, that's a different calculation. To our total equity. 102, winning at life. I like to see 3 or under. That's my goal, is to get a contractor to have debt to equity of 3 or under. This is a calculation that a lot of our outside partners use to test the viability of the future of the business and whether they are overburdened with debt. Debt to equity can also give the long-term health of the company because you can see how much debt you can fund with that equity section. Our example company right here is doing really well. They have a 102 debt to equity, which is way lower than 3. If we found that we had a company that was operating in a 4, we might want to look at how quickly we can get that debt paid off, whether there is some negotiation terms we can use, whether we can keep more money in our company as we earn it. That's it for today. If you like ratio analysis, we have a treat for you. We have a free scorecard you can download at our website on atlascfo.com specifically for the construction industry. Go to our website, check it out. It's free. Lots of ratios, lots of graphs. Thanks for your time today. Talk to you soon.